My name is Jeremy Broun, and in 1993 I was invited to write a book called The Encyclopedia of Woodworking Techniques. Based on its success over the past 3 decades, I was involved in compiling the revised edition in 2018. In fact, this is an early copy I was sent today. What a thrill to flick through the pages and see the fruits of my working closely with the art editor of Quarto, who has created this visual feast. The great thing about woodworking is that the techniques, some of them centuries old, do not date, and that today, with the benefits of modern technology, woodworkers have a great choice in using hand skill and power tools. And of course this book focuses on hand techniques, which are at the very heart of woodworking. The book clearly sets out all the techniques in step-by-step illustrated stages, and even includes basic drawing skills, which I consider to be so fundamental to woodworking. It has been a great honour for me to include work from some of the world's leading furniture designer makers in the theme section, which is truly inspirational. The book should be widely available initially in the UK and USA, and signed copies can be obtained from me.